students, this is exercise first B and the question number third was remaining question. So in this video we will do the question number third. Express each of the following as a fraction in simplest form. Here part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are of same type and 6, 7, 8 are some different. So what is in part first? 0.3 bar. Here the one digit having bar. In part second, single digit having bar. In part third, two digits having bar. Part fourth, two digits having bar. Part fifth, three digits having bar. Means all the digits just after the decimals. So we will know how to do this. And part 6, 7th and 8th, you are watching that the digit having bar also after the digit without having bar. Here 0.17 bar. So here the 0.1 is not having bar. Here 0.54 bar. So 5 have not bar on it. Here part 8 0.163. Only two digits having bar, and before two digits here a digit without bar. So this is some different and I will do it now. Exercise first B, question number first, 0.3 bar. Suppose x is equal to 0.3 bar. What does it mean? 0.3 bar? I am showing here 0.3 bar is equal to 0.333 dash dash. It is continuing. Now multiply by 10 on both sides. So this becomes 10x. And what does of the 3 bar? I am showing here when you multiply 0.3 bar by 10. So decimal place will be shift. Decimal will be shift after one digit. It will come here when you multiply by 10. So this become 3.333 and this is 3.3 bar. Okay, so you can write it 3.3 bar. Now this is equation first and write down this is equation second. On subtracting second from first from second, because 10x is greater than x, so we will subtract the equation first from second. So this becomes 9x, 10x minus x, 9x, and this becomes 3 bar will cancel and only you will get 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 9. This becomes 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 upon 3. So this is in its simplest form, and you will have to convert it in simplest form as a fraction. Here I am showing how you will get only 3 here. If you will subtract 3.3 bar and second is 3 bar, subtract it, so 3 bar will be cancelled and you will get only 3.0. Okay, now part second. 1.3 bar. This is the part second. So let x is equal to 1.3 bar. Now here digit on here the bar on single digit, so you will multiply x by 10. So 10x is equal to, this will also multiply by 10, so digit will be shift after one place of, decimal will be shift after one digit. So you can write it 13.3 bar, showing here how is it comes. 1.3 bar multiply by 10, this becomes 1.333 and multiply by 10. When you multiply this by 10, this decimal will come after, or you can say to the right side of one digit. So this becomes 13.333 and you can write it 13.3, and because 3 is continued, so you put bar on 3. So this is 13.3. Now suppose this is equation first, this is second, and same here, equation second minus equation first, as we done in part 1. Second is 10x and here is x. So when you subtract it, you will get 9x is equal to, here 0.3 bar and 0.3 bar will be cancelled, and 13 minus 1 means you will get 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 9, and this will cut by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. You will get 4 upon 3. This is the answer, and this is in its simplest form, and it is in the form of fraction. Now third part, 0.34 bar. Let x is equal to 0.34 bar. So here bar on 2 digits, so you will multiply by 100 on both sides. 100x is equal to 0.34 bar multiply by 100, as we done in before. So the decimal will shift after 2 digits, showing here 0.34, 3434, and this will continue. When you multiply 0.34, 3434 and multiply by 100, so decimal will shift right of the 2 digits. This becomes 34.3434 and so on, and you can write it 34.34 bar. So here 100x is equal to 34.34 bar. Suppose this is the equation first and this is the equation second. Same, subtracting second equation second minus equation first, 100x minus x, what you will get, 99x, and here 34 bar will be cancelled, so only you will get 34. Now x is equal to 34 upon 99. This is in its simplest form and in the fraction. The part fifth, 0.324 bar. Let x is equal to 0.324 bar. So here 3 digits having bar, so this will be multiplied on both sides by 1000. So you can write 1000 multiplied by x is equal to 0.324 bar multiplied by 1000, and this will be equation 1. And now what you will get in second equation, 1000 x is equal to, when you multiply by 1000, so this decimal will shift after 3 digits. So this becomes 324.324 bar, because 324 will be continued. So you can write in the form of 324 bar. Okay, now you can say it is equation second. Equation second minus equation first. 1000 minus x becomes 990 is equal to 0.324 bar, cancel each other, and only you will get 324. Now 990x, so x is equal to 324 upon 990. Now here you can cut it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and here not 90, this will be 999 hoga, because only x you will subtract, not 10x. So this is 999, and this is 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. This becomes 3 1s are 3, and 3 will not divide 2, put 0. Now this becomes 24, 3 8s are 24. This becomes 108 upon 333. This again cut by 3, because sum of the digit is 8 plus 1 9. So cut it. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 1 10, 3 6 are 18. So this also cut. 36 upon 1 1 1. Sum of the digit 3. 6 plus 3 9. So this is 3 3s are 9, 10 11 2, remainder 2 or 1 21. So 3 7s are 21. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This becomes 12 upon 37. So x is equal to 12 upon 37. Now it is in the form of simplest form and in the fraction. So this becomes the part 5th. Now part 6. Now part 6 is some different from other parts. Here the digit having bar has one digit before it, and it is without bar. So first we shift this decimal before the digit having bar. So you will multiply, because only single digit is here, so you will multiply by 10 to shift this decimal on right side. Let x is equal to 0.17 bar. Now we multiply by 10 on both sides, so this becomes 10x is equal to, this decimal will shift when we multiply by 10, so this will be 1.7 bar. Okay, now again we will do the same method which I have applied till now. Here digit on bar is single digit, so we will again multiply by 10. How many digits having bar? We multiply by 10, 100, 1000 by seeing the digit which having bar on it. So here only single digit having bar, so we will multiply by 10 into 10x is equal to 1.7 bar into 10. This was the equation first. Now this becomes equation second. 100x is equal to, when you multiply by 10 to 1.7 bar, so this decimal will shift after one digit. This becomes 17.7 bar. Okay students, now consider it as second equation. Same equation second minus equation first. 100x minus 10x, you will get 90x is equal to, now 17.7 minus 1.7 bar. So 7 bar will be cancelled, and 17 minus 1 you will get 16. So x is equal to 16 upon 90. Now cut it. 4 4 are 16, and just wait. This will not cut by 4. You will cut it by 2. 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So x is equal to 8 upon 45. This is in its simplest form and in the form of fraction. Now I have shown how to get by subtraction the equation first from second. This is the equation first. 10x is equal to 1.7 bar, and this is the equation second. 100x is equal to 17.7 bar. So when you subtract it, you will get 90x is equal to 16. 0.7 bar will cut each other, and from 17 you will subtract 1, you will get 16. Now here the part 7th, same as you did the part 6. I have done. You have to try yourself. The part 7th is 0.54 bar. Suppose x is equal to 0.54 bar. Now because first we have to shift the decimal before the digit having bar, so you multiply by 10 on left hand side and right hand side. So 10x is equal to, this decimal will shift one digit after one digit, so this becomes 5.4 bar. Now here bar on single digit, so again we multiply the equation by 10. So when you multiply 10x by 10, you will get 100x. This is equal to, when you multiply 5.4 bar by 10, so the decimal will shift after one digit, so this becomes 54.4 bar, and subtract equation second minus equation first, you will get 90x is equal to 49, and x is equal to 49 upon 90. Part 7, 0.163 bar. Let x is equal to 0.163 bar. So here we multiply by 10 to shift this decimal before the digits having bar. So this will be 10x is equal to, when we multiply it both side by 10, so 10x is equal to 1.63 bar. Now this becomes equation first, for we get equation second by multiply 100 on both side, because only two digits having bar, so you will multiply by 100. So this becomes 100 into 10x. This is equal to 1.63 bar into 100. Now 1000x is equal to, decimal will be shift after the two digit to the right, so this becomes 163.63 bar. You consider it equation second. Same equation second minus equation first. Equation second minus equation first. 1000 minus 10, you will get 990x is equal to, you will get 163.63 bar minus 1.63 bar. 63 bar will be cancelled, and 163 minus 1 is equal to 162. So it implies x is equal to 162 upon 990. When you solve it, you will cut it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 0. Now 6 and 1 7 8 9. This is also cancelled by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 1 16. 3 4s are 12. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 0, 5, 4, 9, sum of the digits. So this will also cut by 3, 3 ones are 3, 4, 5, 2, 3 8s are 24. Now this becomes 1, 1, 0 and 2 9s are 18 and 2 5s are 10, 11, 1, 2 5s are 10. This is 9 upon 55. So x is equal to 9 upon 55. Write down here, x is equal to 9 upon 55. So all the parts of question number 3rd we have solved, and try yourself again, and please share, subscribe and like my video. Thank you.